Hi friends, MyMixediary here. Today, as you see, it's again a beautiful day in Toronto. Me and my husband are planning to go out for our lunch and we would be using the TTC today. That's the regular transportation for the bus and the trains. So if you see here, you can get a glimpse. Today we are going to try something Indian, very desi. The Sunday lunch. Thought of exploring the restaurant which was referred by my friend. Keep traveling with me. I've got down on Bloor station, which is the connecting point of line 1 and line 2, and I'll be taking the line 2 and then we'll be heading off to our destination. Finally, we have reached at Dufferin and we are almost near the place where we want to have our lunch. The name is Mumbaikar. Thanks to my friend Ananya, she brought me to this restaurant few months back. I really like the food, so I wanted my husband also to have a taste of it. Having food from my country in Toronto is always such a privilege. And here I come to the restaurant, Mumbaikar. Finally, we have come to the restaurant and that's the interiors. And the other one would be Kokam Sharbat too. And you said chicken tikka salad. I will have the misal pav. We're eagerly waiting for our lunch. It's 3:15 now. It's okay. When you want to plan for a good lunch, you have to wait and give some time to it. It's a very desi pandu, you know?
It is.
I like it. No, I haven't been, but I'm from Kolkata. But I hear a lot of stories from him from Mumbai. Actually, my roommates have been from Maharashtra, like a lot of roommates. So yeah, I know the smell of the masala, you know? That kind. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a really good experience.
I'm glad that you guys like the food. Let me know if you need anything.
Sure.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
Maybe I'll have your name. What's your name?
Shruti.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Today we had a wonderful lunch at Mumbaikar. It was so really good. Yes, the perfect touch of Desi pan to it. Now I'm not a Mumbaikar, neither I've been to Mumbai. so I do not have the expertise to comment on the taste of the food. But yes, I'm a bomb blessed with great taste buds. I must say, one food that always touches my heart is the tandoori momos. It's a perfect blend of desi to the momos that are served here. And in terms of the other dishes, like last time I had fish, which I really loved, and this time I had pav, which is just so staple to Mumbai. So yeah, I love that too. And asking about the drinks, I would say the drinks are also very much authentic here. If you had heard about konkam, which is a specialty growing in the western parts of India, you get the drinks here, you can taste it. I think that's the best part. Like sometimes you're away from your country, but still you are close to its roots, maybe through its food, through its culture, through its people. And yes, a plus point I would say the people out here, very friendly staff and very helpful. Overall, I would rate it around 4 on 5. Yes, I'm not a food expert to rate it, but it's just completely based on a taste buds. So you may go ahead and you can rate it as per your choice. But yes, if you ask me to recommend this, I would definitely recommend this place. It's such a lovely Sunday lunch spent here at Mumbaikar.